It could be done, no? Like what the defense stated, right? They want to see the entire video para makita ho daw yung context, entire context when those subject utterances were made, when the threats were made. But as pointed out by Attorney Ligotan yesterday, and which was found to be correct by the presiding officer, no? Discretion ho ng prosecution kung anong parte nung video na yon ang aming ipapakita. Now, if the defense on cross-examination would want all of us to watch the entire 2-hour video, then they can try to do that later on cross.
Sir, how would that affect yung expediency noong trial?
Well, as we could see, that's precisely the reason, no, why on direct examination we objected to that attempt, di ba, na to force us to have everyone sit there for more than 2 hours and watch it because we didn't find it to be necessary. But later, they'll probably try to do that, and we'll see how the impeachment court will rule on it.
Sir, what are we expecting for this afternoon?
As I've mentioned, no, they will cross-examine the witness, and this is their right, no? Ang trabaho ng prosecution, ilatag ang ebidensya, iyo po ang aming testigo. Under the process, under the rules of procedure, ang depensa naman ho, meron silang karapatan na mag-cross-examine ng witness namin. But we're confident, no, na tatayo ho ang ebidensya ang mga linalatag namin.
Yes, Pao, you have something to add?
Sa akin kasi hindi na bago yung hindi na bago yung video na yon. Siguro napanood na lahat ng tao sa hindi lang sa Pilipinas, baka sa buong mundo napanood na po nila yung senaryo na yon. Pero nag-rule naman po ang ating impeachment judges. Sinabi naman po nila na pwede pong gawin yun during the time ng defense. Klarong-klaro naman po yun. Pero pag umiikot ka naman po, nakikita, ang tagal na po nun. Ilang taon na? Ilang taon na ba yun? 2 taon? Klarong-klaro naman po, binalikan yung mga timestamps saka nung plinayback nila yung mga crucial saka importanteng part. Bago po ako bago po nag-umpisa tong trial na to, nasa La Union ako umuwi ako Pag tinatanong po ako dito, hindi ako masyado nagde-dwell dun sa alam kong equally important yung other articles, pero parang dito talaga may kurot yung sa grave threats kasi parang ang hirap namang depensahan nung direct threat na yun, yung open threat, sabi nga nila. Sabi nga, sa ibang bansa yan, nako, secret service ng nakaharap sa'yo Sabi, yung mga, usually po kasi mga kakwentuhan ko, mga matatanda Ang sabi nila, nagdakes. Ang sama nung narinig nilang gano'n na open threat na ganyan, na manggagaling po sa matataas na opisyal. Although, ongoing na po itong ating trial, yun naman po yung importante. Sabi ko nga, ito lang po yung proper na forum para ipaliwanag po lahat at saka idepensa o ilatag man yung ebidensya. At napakalakas po ng araw ng kahapon, napakalakas po ng sigaw ng ebidensya. Thank you.
Is it possible for the prosecution to present the second witness later, sir?
It will depend. So what will happen is the defense will start their cross-examination when they're done. If necessary, we could also conduct a redirect examination, and then they'll also have the right to conduct recross. So depending on how long all of that will take, if there's enough time, and if the impeachment court will allow us, we'll be ready to present our second witness today.
Thank you po.